To customize EveryDollar savings goals, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Goals section. Here, you will see a list of preset savings goals, such as emergency funding, vacation, or paying off debt. First, let's create a new savings goal. Click on the Add Goal button and select the type of goal you want to create, such as saving for a car or a down payment on a house. Give your goal a name and set a target amount. This will be the total amount you want to save for this specific goal. Next, set a deadline for your goal. This will help you determine how much you need to save each month to reach your target. EveryDollar will calculate this amount for you based on your deadline and target amount. Now, let's talk about funding your savings goal. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings goal. This way, you ensure that you save a fixed amount regularly, making it easier to reach your goal. It's also important to prioritize your savings goals. You can do this by assigning a priority level to each goal. This will help you allocate your funds accordingly, ensuring that you're saving for the most important goals first. Another key concept is tracking your progress. EveryDollar allows you to monitor your progress towards each goal, providing you with a clear picture of how much you've saved and how much more you need to save. Best practices for customizing EveryDollar savings goals include setting realistic targets, breaking down large goals into smaller ones, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals as needed. By following these steps and tips, you can create a personalized savings plan that helps you achieve your financial objectives. In conclusion, customizing EveryDollar savings goals is a straightforward process that involves creating new goals, setting target amounts and deadlines, funding your goals, prioritizing them, and tracking your progress. By taking control of your savings goals, you can make significant progress towards achieving financial stability and securing your future.